How to play music while recording video on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Spotify application on your phone. As you can see, you are on the Now Playing screen. Now, go back and open up the Camera app. Once you're here, swipe down on the screen from the top to open the Notification Center. Here, tap on the play button to continue playing the song on Spotify. And then, go back to the camera screen. Over here, press and hold the capture button to start recording a video. After that, open the video you just took from the bottom left corner. As you can see, you have successfully taken the video with the song playing in the background. Following these steps, you can easily play music while recording video on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.